So we've got a 69 Dodge Charger RTSE. This was a 440 car. No engine, no tranny. A lot of stuff is missing on this thing. First the bad. The floors are gone. Rockers are wasted. Torsion bar cross member is wasted. Yeah. See-through rockers. The quarters are toast. Literally toast. Trunk. It's the new see-through model. Yeah, trunk pan, frame rails, rear valance, tail pan, all shot to heck. All rusted to hell. The sail panel actually had some rust right up in here, but I got a new sail panel for it. So the package tray is decent. What's really crazy is the window channels are nice, and this was a vinyl top car. You know, the drip rails are sweet. Yeah, here's the window channel. Isn't that nuts? There's like no rust in it. I unscrewed all the clips for the window channel. The front cowl is really decent too. As well as the fender wells are okay. They're doable. They're usable. Front frame rails will work. So, yeah, I've got inner and outer rockers, a floor pan, cross member, trunk pan, quarters, and I'll be replacing those in this car. So a little every day. I'm only good for a couple or maybe 2 or 3 hours of work a day on this thing, and my body just won't put up with it. But I figured it'll be the last one I build. Yeah, the uprights for the doors, a little crackage going on. That'll weld, but that's decent. And then these front ones are, gosh, they're in amazingly good shape. So, this is where I've been. Not been doing much flying models. I've been working on this. Got everything sandblasted and epoxy primed in the roof on the inside, the package tray, back seat area. It's all good to go. That should be pretty decent. A lot of little patches to weld in here and there. Like on that corner, you can see that'll have to be a patch. This corner here will need a patch in this corner. But it's not bad stuff. It's all small patches just to get the floor pan in. So I've done a number of, I don't know, restorations. Nothing nut and bolt. Nothing graveyard cars quality or anything like that. But I've put a lot of these old cars back on the road and enjoy them. I love my old Cuda and my Roadrunner. I did a 84 Volkswagen GTI that was that was in pretty tough shape too. But we'll give you an update. You know, why not? This is what I've been doing. I'll give you an update. And I will be doing some flying soon. So we'll get some more flying videos out there. But yeah, my job for now is getting this old floor out. And then welding reinforcements to keep my dimensions while I got these rocker panels out. And I'm replacing them. I have all the parts for the car. So I've got all the AMD parts to build a decent chassis. I have bought a new 4-wheel disc brake system for it. This was the 4-piston caliper disc brakes, but they're pretty crunchy. I'm not even going to try and mess with those. So anyhow, this is where I've been. that's what's been going on. If you guys want to follow this, I'd be glad to have you along for the trip. So, for now, this is the first update of the '69 Charger RT Resurrection. Thanks for watching.